Hey everyone, it's the Excellent Dude again with another Excel how-to video. In this super short video, I'll show you how to convert PDF tables into Excel. To do this, you will need Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. Let's begin. Here's a sample PDF. You will see that if you try and highlight the table and try and paste it into Excel, you get a bit of a mess. However, if you paste it into Word and then copy and paste it into Excel, it works like a charm. You'll lose some of the formatting, but that's super easy to fix. So that's it, it's really that simple. If you find my videos informative or at least somewhat entertaining, please give this video a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing and clicking the notification icon to be notified when I release new videos. Thanks again and have an excellent day.